Hello. Thank you for always watching. In this video, I will be introducing Oharaimachi and Okage Yokocho, located right next to the Naiku of Ise Jingu. Oharaimachi is an area packed with about 100 shops from the large torii gate of Naiku. The shops are lined up along the Isuzu River for about 800 meters, with Okage Yokocho located halfway down the street. Ise local cuisine, Japanese sake, seafood, gourmet specialties, nostalgic toys and lucky ornaments. There is also a theater that introduces Amaterasu, Oomi no Kami, who is enshrined at Ise Jingu, and Japanese mythology through videos and about 50 paper dolls. Once you have finished visiting the Naiku, cross the Ujigawa Bridge and go to the right to quickly enter Oharaimachi. Oharaimachi Street continues for about 800 meters along the Isuzu River. In the middle of Oharaimachi Street there is an area called Okage Yokocho, which is filled with popular shops. You can also go to the Isuzu River from the street where the shop is located, so it's a great way to get in touch with nature. Now, let's take a walk around Oharaimachi and Okage Yokocho, which is full of all kinds of fun things to do. This is in front of the big torii gate of Ujibashi. Oharaimachi is right there. There are lots of souvenir shops. Let's take the side road on the right to Isuzu River. This is the entrance to Okage Yokocho. There is a cute Manechineko. Manechineko is beckoning cat. In front of Okage Yokocho is the Akafuku main store and a bridge crossing the Isuzu River. There are Japanese drum taiko performances here on Saturdays and Sundays. Every weekend and on holidays, there is a live taiko performance by a taiko drumming team that is exclusive to Okage Yokocho. It is very impressive. Japanese Mythology Museum Isejingu no Yakata. Return to the streets of Oharaimachi and go to the bridge. Akafuku main store is on the corner. Isuzugawa River is very refreshing and sacred. Hyakugo Bay, which matches the streetscape, is beautiful. Fashionable Starbucks. What did you like it? I hope this video was helpful to you. The narration in this video was created using a Japanese to English electronic translation and voice application. If you find any incorrect English or better expressions, I would appreciate it if you could leave a comment. Thank you for watching until the end.